secure buildings. Software. The hardware alone cannot perform any task without being instructed exactly what to do and in what order to do it. These instructions are as important as hardware. Program is a set of instructions given to the computer. Software is a set of programs that enables the computer to do certain tasks. Without software, only the hardware parts of the computer system cannot do anything. Types of software. There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software. It is a set of programs that controls all the operations of a computer system. Operating system is a part of system software that makes the computer run. Operating system is a set of programs which controls the working of the hardware as well as the software. It manages all the input, storage, processing, and output activities of a computer system. To work on a computer, it is must to have an operating system. Application software. The software or set of programs that is designed for a specific application is called application software. It helps the user as a tool to do a particular type of job. For example, MS Word helps you write letters, notes, etc. There are different types of application software available for different kinds of applications. A few examples are word processors. These software help us in writing letters, essays, taking notes, etc. We can type using the keyboard and can make corrections also while typing and even after the typing. An example of word processor is MS Word. Graphics software. You can create drawings on a computer using graphics software. It provides many tools like pencil, brushes, colors, eraser, etc. You can draw and paint and give shade effects as needed. MS Paint is an example of graphics software. Database software. Database software helps to store and arrange large amount of data in the computer. We can view the data in the form of meaningful reports. Some examples are MS Access, SQL Server, Oracle. Characteristics of a computer. The computers are fast and accurate. They provide automation as well. They are capable of performing highly complex tasks within fraction of seconds without any mistake. The main characteristics of a computer are given below. Speed. A computer can perform billions of calculations in a fraction of a second. The speed of computers is measured in milliseconds, microseconds, nanoseconds, and picoseconds. Accuracy. A computer works accurately and does not make any mistakes. It gives correct results. If the result is not correct, mistakes may be done by programmer or operator. Storage. A computer can store large amount of data. Once stored in its memory, it never forgets. Secondary memory or storage devices can be used to store unlimited data. The information can be retrieved within a fraction of a second. Diligent. A computer is ideal machine for carrying out repetitive kind of work. It never gets bored doing the same task again and again. Moreover, a computer never gets tired and can work for long hours. Versatility. A computer can perform a variety of tasks like word processing, draw pictures, listen to music, watch videos, play games. Now with the advent of internet, we can surf the internet to find any information, send emails and get benefit of many services like railway or airway reservations, payment of bills, and much more. Types of computers. Computers are generally classified by size and power. Microcomputer. A microcomputer is a small, single-user computer based on a microprocessor. Microprocessor is a chip inside the computer that acts as a CPU. These are inexpensive and have lower storage capacity as compared to other computers and commonly known as PCs. Workstation. A workstation is like a personal computer, but it has a more powerful microprocessor. Workstation computers intend to serve one user but contain special hardware enhancements like high-resolution graphics screen at large amount of RAM, built-in network support. They are used for engineering applications, desktop publishing, and software development. Mini computer. These are multi-user computer systems and are capable of supporting hundreds of users simultaneously. Mini computers have faster operating speed and larger storage capacity than microcomputers. They can support a large number of high-speed input or output devices. These are used widely as data processing machines and in industrial applications. Mainframe computers. These computers are much bigger and faster than mini and microcomputers and several hundred times more expensive. Mainframe computers use disks of very large capacity to store several terabytes of data. The processing power of such computers is 100 million transactions per second. All the processing is done centrally and the user terminals only input and output and do not process. User terminals are called dumb terminals. Mainframe computers are used mainly by large organizations for critical applications, typically bulk data processing such as census. Examples: banks, airlines, insurance companies, and colleges. Supercomputers. Supercomputers are fast because there are really many computers working together. Supercomputers are employed for specialized applications that require immense amounts of mathematical calculations. Applications of supercomputers are weather forecasting, scientific computing, electronic design to analyze large commercial database, animated movies, and to play games such as chess that require artificial intelligence.